In this quick guide, you'll learn how to view your account details on Trading 212. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, it's important to know where to find your account information quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the main screen, which is your starting point for accessing all the features the platform has to offer. From here, you'll need to navigate to the main menu. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top corner of your screen. Selecting this will open up a list of options that allow you to manage and explore different aspects of your account. Next, look for the settings option in the menu. Tapping on this will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings related to your account and the app. The settings menu is designed to give you control over your app experience, so feel free to explore this section further if you're interested. Once you're in the settings section, the next step is to select My Account. This is where all your personal and account-specific information is stored. By tapping on My Account, you'll be directed to a page that displays a comprehensive view of your account details. It's like having a dashboard for your Trading 212 account. Inside the My Account section, you'll see all sorts of useful information. This includes your personal information, account type, and various settings that you can adjust according to your preferences. This section is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it easy to locate the specific details you need. To ensure you don't miss anything, make sure to swipe or scroll through the page. This will allow you to view all the available details that Trading 212 has recorded for your account. Whether you're checking your account type, updating personal information, or simply reviewing your settings, scrolling through ensures you have a complete overview. And there you have it. That's how you view your account details on Trading 212. By following these simple steps, you can quickly access and review your account information whenever you need to. Remember, staying informed about your account details is a key part of effective trading, so be sure to check this section regularly. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.